welcome you guys. In today's video, we are talking all things packing because despite a crazy situation of Omicron and a really bad scare in my family, we are still going. I am literally so exhausted right now. I don't look it. I had to get ready because it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas! No. I'm going to be positive, pull my scarf top up, and let's talk. Amidst Omicron, my cousin tested positive, and I literally was just like, oh my God, what if I'm positive? What if my family's positive? We have a trip planned to Mexico. I was just about to pack yesterday, and so then we all got tested, we all got our results, we're negative, and so we are going to Mexico. So I thought in today's vlog, I would take you through my packing process. I have some of the best time-saving hacks when it comes to, number one, saving time on your trip so you know where your things are and how to pull them out. Number two, maximizing space in your suitcase. And number three, just making your outfits look really, really darn cute. Let me show you what a mess it is right now, but by the end, it's all gonna be beautiful. All right, let's get up and let's head over to the really messy room. Like, what the actual hell is this? I'm gonna share some of my biggest packing tips. And I guess another thing that I would like to say is I love my outfit today. I'm feeling it. I love a good, like, nice and tight turtleneck and then wearing a scarf as a top. This is so cute. This is a Tory Burch scarf, and it says, it's so cute because it even says, this is not a scarf. I mean, how fun is that? These are really, really baggy Roberto Cavalli pants. Yeah, they're like big on me and they fit low-waisted and that thing is hanging out, which is not cute. But yeah, I really like them. You know, the easiest thing for me is to really monochrome it out and just then add like a little bit of stuff on top. So I was like green on green, and then I added the scarf. And then this necklace is Valentino, actually. And then earrings wise, so this one is Majuri and this one is Seven Saints. And then on the other side, I have a little moon. It's like a sun and a moon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this, and why am I showing you this? It's because this is my Pinterest board right now for current fall winter inspiration, and it really helps me pack. So that is tip number one, is to use Pinterest because it'll help you really, really plan your outfits a lot better. Keep a Pinterest board of like inspiration for that trip, and then try to pack something similar or create your outfits a little bit more accordingly. And then tip number two, I have my phone here, and every time I would look at my Pinterest and put some clothes together that would match an outfit, put that outfit on and take a photo. Ruining the surprise for you guys, but there's one, you know, so that's kind of what I do. I put the outfit together and then I put a photo. Add to album, and then I'll go new album, and then I'll make the album Mexico outfits. Save. And so now in my albums, I've already started to save some outfits for Mexico. And so that just makes it easier. Every time you get up in the morning when you're in your destination, you open this, you think which outfit is suitable for today, based on the activities we have planned, based on how much I'm gonna be walking, based on, you know, just everything. And it makes it so much easier. So right now I really only have 4 out of probably 8 outfits planned. I like to plan at least 60 to 70% of my outfits so that, you know, most of the days I have something, and then other times I'll just kind of like remix some of the items, maybe repeat a top here or there and like wear it with different pants. Full like 10 different outfits, that's more for like fashion week, like every single day is a new outfit, or actually sometimes 2 or 3 outfits a day. If I create too many outfits, then I find that I overpack. So I like to only create 60 to 70% of the number of outfits that I would need, if that makes sense. And I promise you that is a really good packing hack. It saves you a ton of space, it saves you a ton of time, both now and then also when you are in your destination in the morning. All right, it's time to whip the suitcase out. The really battered suitcase. Oh my God, I need a new suitcase. Anyone want to get me like LV luggage for Christmas? Because I would love that. Need that. Though I love my Samsonite. It has lasted me, but Oh, we need new luggage. While I was going in my room, I realized I had 2 packages to unbox. This is one really cool thing. I think it's a puffer jacket from Playboy. Oh, now I want to take this to Mexico. Okay, maybe I have to plan one of the outfits around this. Ooh, really fun. I love it. Packing this is not going to be such an issue. It looks big, but like these kinds of jackets, they just fit in suitcases really well. Okay, and I got this little fun thing from Oribe. Should we unbox it? Let's unbox it. Sometimes I like don't know whether to unbox on YouTube, on Reels, or what, but actually, will you guys hate me if I unbox it? I kind of want to unbox it on TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna make a video and then I'm gonna insert it right here. My scarf fell down. Let me bring the suitcase in, finally. So how do we pack? First of all, I'm gonna pack outfit by outfit since I have my beautifully messy bed. But I have all the pictures on my phone, right? So I just have to look at my phone or remember from my head how I put together all the outfits and pack those things all together, except for shoes and bags. Those go last. Oh, shoes, bags, and jewelry. Those go last. Oh, and sunglasses. So just the clothes together, okay? Now, if you have an item that you're repeating in more than one outfit, put those 2 outfits nearby each other. I'm going to finish putting all the outfits together, put them in, and then share more. Be back. So earlier I mentioned I only did like 4 or 5 outfits on my phone that I had planned. Now, when I'm in a rush like this and I don't have too much time to pack, the easiest thing for me is to just go fully monochrome, which means just take my white jeans, white turtleneck, and then just a couple of classic staple blazers. In fact, I just did like such a big shopping haul and I wish my stuff came before. Let me know if you want me to do a video on the stuff that I bought. I bought a ton of classics from like Jotem. I bought shoes from the Attico. All just such a good sale from different places, but mostly Selfridges and Saks. But yeah, anyways, let me know if you want to see the haul once the stuff comes. But yeah, so I'll bring like, you know, here, hold on. So like my white jeans, right? We'll put a white turtleneck in, and then just as many classics as like those that I have, and then you can always accessorize those with like any of the different color shoes that you've brought with the, you know, things you've already paired, fun blazers, even the puffer jacket that I have right here. So yeah. Aldo sent me these and I feel like they're perfect, so I'm just gonna pack them right in my bag. They're already, you know, nice and compressed, I guess. I don't know if I'll take this. I think I'll keep this one here. It's just like a, well, actually, why not? Why not? I'm gonna take it. Okay, so let me explain to you what I've done so far. This side of the bag, I have put the stuff that I haven't planned, more of the basics, essentials, and you can see whites are here, blacks are here, and then I put some t-shirts and leggings here for workout, because I do work out mostly every day. I'm gonna put the sleepwear just on top of the workout stuff. And then one thing I always take with me is bandeaus. So I have like a packet of like all color bandeaus, like white, black, nude. I got it on Amazon, really inexpensive. This is the like bandeaus in all colors. There's white, brown, not brown, gray, nude, and black. So I take these everywhere. I'm probably gonna take some shorter socks, some longer socks. Zappos was kind enough to send me some nice long socks, so we'll take some of those. And my scarf is down again. Someone needs to invent a way for this to stay up. Maybe I'll do that. So this side was the unplanned stuff. This side was the planned stuff all together. Now what I'm gonna do with my bags and shoes and sunglasses, first of all, I have the craziest hack for sunglasses, which you are not gonna believe. So that I'll tell you. But yeah, so the bags that I know that go with these outfits, I'll put them here. I always like to not put just bags and shoes on one side and clothes on one side, because it's important to scatter your bags and shoes with your clothes so they don't get damaged. It's better that way. First is this, I really need to treat my bags better. This Louis Vuitton, it's one of my favorites. It is a vintage Louis Vuitton, however, look how amazing the condition is. It's beautiful, it's baguette style. It's in epi leather, if you can see the kind of lines there. Beautiful deep purple, and deep colors suit me well, so this was gonna go with, I think, probably 2 of my outfits, along with a pair of boots that is the same color that I have. So this is one of the bags that I'll be taking. Of course, I'm gonna put it in the bag, you know, the protective, yeah, that thing. So if you have been on my, like, with me for a while, you've seen this. This is another vintage bag. It's a Miu Miu, perfect for, I think, when we head into the New Year's with these sparkly things. Also, if you saw my recent video, I talked about dopamine dressing, which is like brighter colors, and this is a really beautiful bright pink. This is, if you guys don't know the story behind this, it's my aunt's bag that she was never using. She gave it to me when I was really young, probably like 15ish, and I was like, what? Okay, I'll take it. I was just like, I'll take it. And I never used it until I turned like 19 probably, and then it was wow, like wow. So I'm going to be taking this one, and probably this bag from Hammett. I added my chain from my By Far bag on this bag because I thought it looked really nice. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to take my Bottega, my new Bottega, the cassette bag, but let me think about it, because my sunglasses hack has to do with that. Okay, so now this is something that I'm not necessarily like proud of in terms of organization, but it works really well for me. I have this little mini box which I put my accessories for the trip in. Now it works because, number one, I limit myself to only what fits in here, which is good. And so I take a lot of dainty things, a lot of like pearly things, hoops, dainty necklaces that I can layer, and it's really helpful just to kind of keep in the box. And I know all my accessories are in here, small box. This goes in my bag. This is something that I got a while ago. I shared this in one of my previous vlogs, and I haven't stopped using it at a Net-a-Porter event. Net-a-Porter, sorry, the American in me is coming out. At a Net-a-Porter event, they gave this to me, and so I fit my makeup in there, which is in the green pouch inside of there, and then I put all my skincare and hair care in here, so everything fits in here very well, and then I just take a hair curler outside of that. So that's done, accessories are done, shoes and bags are in, and so now last thing we just, socks are in, undergarments are in, and so clothes are in, obviously. And so the last thing we need to do is just put in the sunglasses. Now I had a sunglass hack, which was basically to put them in my Bottega cassette bag, because the cassette bag is such a great padded cover up for the sunglasses. So I used to just put them in there and, you know, be fine, but I'm not taking the cassette bag with me this trip. So I'm gonna figure out another method, and probably they won't be as protected because that cassette bag is seriously a good protection, but that's okay. It'll be something. Bag is 99% packed. I need to put this big puffer in, but what I think I'm gonna do is just wear it on the plane. I feel like it's a really good travel jacket. I still have to pack it because I'm gonna go to my parents' house for a couple of days, then we're going to Mexico. So my scarf has fallen down again, but we'll figure that out. Yeah, so now I'm gonna pack my tote. Saint Laurent tote. She got her as a brand gift, not from Saint Laurent, but with another company that I work with who has a brand partner that's Saint Laurent, like an official brand is one of their partner. Yeah, anyways, it was a gift. And so I love it, and I'm gonna travel with it. And last time when I went to Guatemala, I took my By Far bag. It's not staying up. The suitcase is pretty much packed. Let's go close it. If you're wondering, I put the sunglasses there. Planned outfit side. Unplanned outfit side. And I put plastic bags. I put my shoes in plastic bags as opposed to like pretty nice bags because the bottoms of the soles get dirty and whatever. It's better to have ugly plastic bags. Zip it up, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Dirty bag. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed my packing video. I will see you guys in Mexico.